and welcome to new tutorial 34. This 34 tutorial I am going to discuss about hole tools in CATIA. So as I discussed beginner video, this is the revolve cut and it is called groove. Now I am with another examples of another tools that is called hole. So I'm going to use this hole. So I will going to make a hole on this surface. So select this surface and or else you can rotate. Yeah, so now this is in this surface I'm going to make a hole. So select a hole and pick up the point where you want to make a hole, and now there is your option 10 mm diameter. I'll choose 5 mm diameter. Depth also I'll choose is based on your requirement. I'll take 10 mm or 5 mm or 10 mm. I'll choose okay. Now if you click the type, so there is option thread types, which types you want to cut. Taper type, it will look like, and if you click this one, so it will come this type. Counter drill, it will look like, and then you can give the diameter. I'll take 10 mm, I'll take 5 mm, and this depth also I'll take 2 mm, and this is a 45 degree. Select preview. Now you will get a hole here, and if you go to the thread definition, you can see here thread. If you want, then you can click and give a type of thread, metric type, and this is the whole description, which description by based on the organization, based on the industry, based on the company they required, and thread depth how much you want, and hole depth how much you want. So, and this is the right thread and this is left thread where you want. Now this is the tension to how much depth you want. Now you can click the preview, click OK. Now you can rotate and you can see. So this is called hole. If you want to make more hole in this surface, so select the hole somewhere like this, and you can use this thread definition, which types you want, and this is the types, and there is types here, extension, how much depth you want, this one, and this is the thread. You can choose this thread by clicking preview. Okay, now just rotate. Now you can see this is the hole in CATIA. So I hope you understand this tutorial. So I'll meet you in next video. I will come through another tools or another commands. So I hope you guys are understand these tutorials. So if you understand this tutorial, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. So further in future, if I'll upload or if I'll give the required from you guys, so I can upload, then easily you can able to see in your YouTube, and you can share this YouTube video to your employee or any colleague or in your college friend circle. So thank you for watching.